Here is an entire TikTok growth strategy in less than a minute. Let's go. First up, identify your ideal audience member and recognize ways that you can serve them. So think about what's keeping them up at night. What are the questions they're asking? What are they puzzling with and struggling through? And then just start creating videos. Each day, aim to post 3 to 5 videos depending on your energy level and your idea. Make 1 to 2 of those videos education-based, which is like this one, talking to the camera and sharing something. And then the rest of those videos should be fun trends. If that feels overwhelming and like too many videos, that's okay. Just do as much as you can each day. Then set down your goal exactly. How many videos you're going to create, what kind of videos they're going to be, and when you're going to be creating them. Also write down how long you're going to be doing this for. Are you in a sprint season and just doing it for a month? Write that down. Once a week, sit down and look at your analytics. What videos did well and what didn't. Make that change your next videos and then follow